future, we are losing to real estate agents. A broker robot is sent back through time.
Your properties. Give them to me. Now.
Fuck you, asshole!
To win the future, all he needs is her signature.
Sign now.
Now.
I said hold it!
He is her only hope.
I think there's a guy following me.
Sign.
Come with me if you want to live.
To save herself and her house, she must believe the unbelievable.
How could that man just get up
Man, proceed.
The real estater.
Designed to make a killer sale.
That real estater is out there.
Can't be bargained with. It can't be reasoned with. It doesn't feel pity or remorse. It absolutely will not stop. Ever.
Till you're in debt.
Can you stop it?